All right, guys, so I have a Google Sheet here, and I want to show you how to merge cells. By merge cells, I mean we're going to combine multiple cells. You can see I have some information here into one single cell. So first, let's do this horizontal set. If I go to Format and then Merge Cells, I have a merge horizontally or merge all. In this case, it's going to do the same thing, but since we have information in all of the cells, it's not going to retain all of this information. It's only going to preserve the top leftmost value. Okay. So as an example, I'll hit OK, and you can see this is a cell has overwritten everything else that we had in that cell. Make this a little bit bigger. So everything else is gone, but you can now see that this one cell is all three of these combined. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And then on this one, we have the same thing where we'll hit Format, Merge Cells, merge vertically here. Now it's only going to preserve the top leftmost value. So I'll hit OK. And you can see that the house is now at the bottom. I can arrange the text inside of this single cell however I want. So if I center it, it's going to center. And if I right align, it'll right align there as well. And then I can choose to push it to the top of the cell as well here. Now, if I don't have any information in these cells, I would just grab the range that I want to merge, go to Format, Merge Cells, and now I have real options here because I have a vertical set and a horizontal set. Now, if I choose Merge Horizontally, it's going to make horizontal cells out of that group. Let me grab another set here. Let's see, let's make it the same size. The next option will be to merge cells vertically. So now all of these vertical cells are merged together. And then the final option would be to merge all. So I'll go to Format, Cells, and merge all. And now I get one large box. So that is horizontal. These are vertical. And this is merge all. And again, we can arrange these however we want within that one singular cell by using the controls at the top. So that is all we have, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, could you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop in the comments what type of content you'd like to see from me. I'm going to be hopefully posting a lot more coming up. So thanks for being here. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.